Good evening, everyone. Now we are showing how to clean the washing machine cells. First, we have to take this from shop.
అక్కడ వీడియోలో నీట్గా కనబడుతుందా?
We should open this. In that one packet will become. We should pour some in. We should pour some powder in this. And we should keep it, and we should keep this in the drum cleaner, and we should keep some inside.
Okay, then we will start now. And we have to
On the washing machine,
start చేయాలి. Start
we
button.
should on the start button.
Okay, it will take 2 hours.
It will take 2 hours.
Like this.
Thank you.